I just want to make something.
What's up, guys? I got 10 sound effects that you can really use for whatever, but I like to use them, as you can see in the example footage, for sort of pan, camera whip transitions, zoom transitions, or even slow-mo. This is a great way to add some depth to your edits and whatnot. As you can see here, I've got sort of 10 sound effects, all named as close as I could to what they sound like. Yeah, so that's basically it. Download instructions and link are always in the description below. Thanks for watching. A like and subscribe would be super awesome. And I'll follow up at the end of the video here with me playing all 10 sound effects, so if you want to hear them, you can go ahead and do that. Thanks again. Bye-bye.